Kanun Menteri kala menjorban pensuk ya kerukom penrung kerteng nega registration bat kerukom tho ek eksamen SSLC lengba ke MBOSE kum ki private candidate. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong bagan negara ketemu bendera itu disamla ke bala pep school hadian jangka kelas 8 ne ki baklempas ke matrik hagi snem ki bala lej bakin yo ekalat dan tho biang eksamen klem dadan kam manit school man la kasni. Ula pensyai babon ki Khynnah ki haban Iehnoh Skul namar ki daw ki bapher wala ki don ki jingkuwa banyo ek certificate class 10 kumta kene kalat batmai kene rap iki banyo abeng kalat ban kentiu ya ke pulih puthi jongki
Introduce a provision for admission and registration of private candidates for the secondary school leaving certificate examination under the Meghalaya Board of School Education. As you are aware, there are a large number of students who in the past could not clear the metric exam, and there are a large number also who end up dropping out post the upper primary when they enter the secondary level because of different factors. So we have realized that this large number, even though they desire to come back and give the exam again, they are not able to give it because of different provisions that restrict them from giving that particular exam. What we have decided in the cabinet today is to streamline and to ensure that we make it easy for any candidate who wishes to give the SSLC exam to pass class 10, even though he or she may have failed in the previous years, or for whatever reason could not continue with the schooling post class 8. We want to give that option to them, and this I'm sure will encourage many such youngsters who, for whatever circumstance, were not able to clear their metric exam. They would be looking forward to be given an opportunity to do that. And this particular provision today and this particular decision will allow those children to give that particular exam and clear the metric exam.